Hello, this is Mr. Barr, and today we're going to do two-way frequency tables. Actually, it's going to be completing two-way frequency tables, so I'll change the title on that eventually. Oh, there it is, completing two-way frequency tables. Our goal, I can use statistics to understand the world around me, why information, data, is displayed in graphs and tables all over the place, on TV and books, on the internet. I want to understand this information and be an informed citizen. Let's be honest with ourselves. There are going to be topics in this class that are not that useful. Today is one of them. This information will be on the final exam and on the state test. But in real life, have I ever had a need to use a two-way frequency table? Not that I can remember. If you have something better to write here, let me know. Sometimes we just got to learn the stuff because people expect us to learn it. There probably is a good use for this, I just haven't used it. Although it's still kind of a fun mental game to play. Two-way frequency tables will deal with two variables, referred to as bivirate data. The tables examine the relationship between two variables. Completing them is kind of like playing Sudoku. So I don't know if you've ever seen this kind of Sudoku puzzle where you have to fill in all the numbers. Two-way frequency tables are very similar to that. So here we go. We're going to complete our first one right here. Actually, this is just going to be an example. Let's go with our notes, and we'll start with our name. And completing two-way frequency tables. Completing two-way frequency tables. So here's some data about people and the types of cars they want. Really, you can kind of ignore all the stuff around it and just look at the numbers. Each column has to add up. 21 plus 135 is 156. 39 plus 45 is 84. 60 plus 180 is 240. Notice that each of the columns add up. Then each of the rows have to add up. 21 plus 39 is 60. 135 plus 45 is 180. 156 plus 84 is 240. The columns add up and the rows add up. Let's get that into our notes. The columns add up. And the rows add up. And as long as you have some of the information, you can finish the table. So same thing here, we can see the columns add up, 10 plus 15, 2 plus 12, 8 plus 3, everything adds up, and the rows also add up. Same thing here. The columns add up, the rows add up. And here's the first one we're actually going to do. We're going to fill in the missing terms. So I need a table, and I'm going to make one that is 4 by 4. And we'll go with Honda, Toyota, total, male, female, total. And I've been given some numbers. I've been given the 36, the 31, the 21, a 27, a 40, and a 67. I need to fill in the missing numbers. So let's start with this right here. Some number plus 21 is 31. What number would I put right here to make it add up to 31? I'd put in a 10. 10 plus 21 is 31. Well, let's work it this way. Some number plus 10 is 27. It's going to be 17. 17 plus 10 is 27. One way to get that would be to go 27 minus 10. 27 minus 10 is 17. 36 minus 17 is 19. So this is 19, which makes sense because 17 plus 19 is 36. And that, my wonderful students, is how you complete a two-way frequency table. It's like a game of Sudoku. And I will do this one with you on the screen. All right, so let's do 36 minus 12. 36 minus 12 is 14. I need to change my... is 14, because 12 plus 14 is 36. That is not 36. That is so not 36. Let's try this again. How about, oh my goodness, how about 24? 12 plus 24 is 36. That worked. 43, 24 plus something is 43. Let's do 43 minus 24. 43, you know, here, let me. (43 minus 24 takes me to a 19. So 19 plus 24 takes me to the 43. That looks good. How about 47 minus 12? 35. So this is the 35 right there. Because 35 plus 12 is 47. It adds up going down. It adds up going down. It adds up going down. And it adds up going across. And we've got one more. Okay, 38 plus something is 50. 38 plus 12 is 50. That worked. See, 20 plus something is 38. 20 plus 18 is 38. That worked. 20 plus something is 28. 20 plus 8 is 28. That worked. 28 plus something is 50. Was that 12 or 22? It's 22. 28 plus 22 is the 50. 18 plus 4 is the 22. See how they add up? It adds up going down, and they add up going across. All right, that's our video for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.